Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Roblox game on mobile, right? So as you can see here in the Roblox mobile application, it is not possible to create a game. You can only create a game on the PC, but I will show you the another solution, right? You have to just go to either Chrome browser or any of the browser you can choose according to you. And on the search bar, you have to type Roblox and just go to the Roblox website here. And after that, just click on continue in browser. In the iOS you can just find on the top three side, which is on left side. Okay, and here you have to log in, but before login, I will just like to show you here there is option of create, so you can create it. As you can see here that Roblox Studio is available on Windows and Mac, right? But I will show you another solution. You have to click on the three dots which is on top right side corner, and you have to go to the desktop site, right? And after going that, you can just click on start creating here, and after that it will check for Roblox Studio, which is not available in my phone, but you have to download the studio, right? So just click on the download studio, and you can see here that it is getting downloaded, and you have to just install it, right? So just click on here, and you can see here that can't open this file. So basically it is not possible to create games over Roblox in your phone, because ultimately, even though if I change into a desktop site, it will not, because you have to install this Roblox Studio. So I hope guys you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.